What is up, my dudes? And that one girl just wants to see if I'm Batman or not. Well, you've never seen me and Batman in the same room. Just putting it out there. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's get that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Carlo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-goodness like these cool guys here? Bam! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, so today I wanted to talk to you about something that's a little bit, close to my heart. And that's being a hero to someone else. And if anything, I want to use this more as like a rally cry for you guys. And hopefully maybe motivate some of you to do something you've been thinking about and you just haven't done yet, or you're not sure how to do it, stuff like that. So this isn't a shame video. This isn't me trying to like toot my own horn. This is just a call to arms. And I know that everyone out there, everyone watching, yes, you can do this. So I'm hoping that you will answer the call. And that is being a hero to someone. And here's what I mean. Do something. Do the smallest things that can help somebody else. And let me give you a few examples. Today, we're on our way to Manchester, New Hampshire. The reason why is because I'm heading to my favorite Red Cross to go give double red blood cell donations. What that fully means, I don't know. I've been donating blood for well over 20 years now, and over the years it's increased. So it went from blood donations to platelet donations, now to double red blood cell donations, and each one really targets different people. From what I understand, double red is really useful for people that are being treated for cancer, different surgeries, stuff like that. Now, I am O negative, and I have lost most of my family to one form of cancer or another. So I would like to believe that there were people out there, even before I was donating, that were answering this call and helping someone that they don't even know, they've never met, they'll never meet. But it's something small, simple, and it's something they can do to help. Now there's other stuff that I do it's small. It's a drop in the bucket. I'm not looking for a pat on the back. I'm not looking for medals and awards. It's small stuff, but I know it helps other people. And not even just people, animals. I am a huge animal advocate, so I'm always trying to do something to help out animals as well. I get an email every day from a charity where they use web traffic to raise funds to give money to shelters to help take care of shelter animals. And they send me like maybe 2 or 3 emails in a day. I get the email. It says click here. You click there, it takes you to the web page. It creates web traffic. They get a little bit of money from it. Yes, there's stuff on their site like, hey, buy these slippers, buy these mittens, and extra money goes. And I've used that before. I've bought stuff for the wife. And, it's just one of those things where it's very minute, but it's paying it forward. Another thing, when I come into these videos, I say check out my Amazon links. Check out the links below. And all of the money I raise there, and all the money I raise in YouTube. When you guys are watching these videos, when you're hitting like, when you're leaving comments, when you're going to my coffee page and donating a couple bucks, when you're using the Amazon links to buy stuff that you buy anyway, you don't even need to buy the stuff that is linked below. You click on one of those links and then you shop through Amazon like normal. I get a little bit of kickback for that. All of that money goes to my toy drive that I run at the end of the year every year, that I've been doing for way too long now. I can't even give you a year off the top of my head. I'd have to go back and count it. Honestly, I want to say this This might be the 18th year. I'll look into it. But this is my call to you. Find those small things. You don't have to like drain your bank account. You don't have to sell off everything that you own. You don't have to do any of that crazy stuff. Find the little things that can help and help pay it forward and make you a hero to somebody else. And the great thing about being a hero is you don't always need the rewards. You don't need the pats on the back. People don't need to know who you are. They just need to know that somebody out there did it. And hopefully that'll inspire them to do something going forward as well. Another one, I'll try and link it below, I've become very interested in lately, is a company called Wilson House. And it's this girl who wanted to start her own dog rescue and her own horse rescue. So she started a candle company where the proceeds were going to building this shelter that she was going to use to rescue dogs that were on kill lists in other states. She wants to start rescuing horses, all that great stuff. And I think what she's doing is absolutely incredible. And it's one of those things where, again, you don't even have to just throw money at her. You can buy a candle. You can buy coffee. She sells that now. And that's going to help her. So I'll link that out. Check her out. Buy a bag of coffee. Support somebody who's trying to save lives. Things like that. That's really what I mean here. And that's what I'm hoping that some of you will be like, hell yeah, let's do this. Because I know there's a lot of good people that watch these videos. I know you're out there. I know you're checking this out. And I also know this video isn't going to get the same kind of views as a video that has some sort of negative propaganda in the title. There you go. There's another thing where you could be a hero. Stop jumping into all the clickbait and look for some positive videos. Like, support those creators who are doing something good, doing something positive, and not just looking for you to pay them money so they can continue on their permanent vacation or whatever they're doing. Like, do that. That's a small thing. It's a helpful thing. And like I said, I know there's a lot of you out there that maybe just need that little extra inspiration, that little kick in the pants, that little nudge. So that's what we're doing here today. I am giving you that nudge. I'm giving you that bump. I'm giving you that, come on, let's do it. And I'm not even telling you which one to do. Like, find something that means something to you. Do a charity walk. Do anything. Help somebody. Again, it's not something where you have to go broke doing it. You have to give up all of your free time to do it. There are very small things out there that you can do that make a huge difference to somebody else. So yeah, that's really the main call I've got today. And I'm not just gonna keep beating that horse, so I'll leave that right there. And down below, if you're doing something, sound off down below. That way other people can check it out and maybe they can hop onto a cause that you're supporting, because that's how stuff like that grows. I'll give you an example. Like, when I started my toy drive, I was still in a band. We would play out. I would organize a show towards the end of the year. A bunch of my friends' bands would all come out and play. A club that I was friends with would give us the stage for the night. All that good stuff. So it was a pure, clean fundraiser, and I would raise maybe about $300. But I'd go out and stretch that $300 as far as I could. I would take it to Child Health Services in Manchester, New Hampshire, and I would make that donation for them to help out families in need that couldn't afford to buy gifts for their children. And that's all it was, nice and clean. Over the years, more people that I came in contact with started sharing this. This has been a very grassroots sort of fundraiser from the start. You know, people tell their parents, they tell their friends, they tell their family. Those people join on. People that I'm friends with that literally I have not stood in the same room with for like 10 years. because our lives are different, we live in different places, whatever. They are still coming back every year. They will hit me up before I even get the toy drive up going, hey, you doing the toy drive? I want to give you money. Let's do this. And it's awesome. My buddy Witness Relocation Chris, ever since he's hopped on, he throws me a very fair chunk of money. I'm not, Chris is awesome. And then for years, he would, you know, take the day off, lend me his pickup truck. He would come out and help me do the shopping, help me load up the truck, help me unload the truck at Child Health Services. Like, it was awesome. His mom and dad have become part of this toy drive. It's just been fantastic. And that's stuff that you can do, and that's stuff I know you guys can do. So, yeah, again, if you're doing something, sound off down below. Help grow your cause, grassroots as well, by using this comment section. Feel free. I think that would be awesome. That's really all I've got on that. So before we tune out, this is the first ride I've done since I did the upgrades on the bike last video. What do you guys think? A little bit cleaner? Like, I've got this going on now, so this part of the bar is a little bit more open. I honestly like the way this looks a little bit more. I wasn't quite sure, but I feel like it's a nice, cleaner look. I haven't really played with my highway bars just yet. I'm kind of in a hurry this morning, so I didn't casually roll up to Methchester, but I'll give them a shot on the way home. But that's what I got. So yeah, again, sound off down below. I know I've already asked that, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know is like, I want to do some good, I just don't know how. Here's the instructions, one guy. I gotcha. And yeah, trust me, he loves this stuff. And I'll see you all on the flip side.